Hello students, the question is from computer organization. Question is, a computer memory system has 64 kilobytes of words addressable main memory with 16-bit addresses, and the system has one level cache memory that can hold 16 blocks of data where each block contains 16 bytes or 16 words each. So assume that if it is a direct mapping cache, to which cache block will the main memory addresses, and the address given is 9A81. It is given 16 because it is a 16 bit addresses. Okay, so that's why. So why we are using a direct mapping? Because direct mapping is a simplest way to determine in which cache location and in which memory block means in that is simplest way to determine which like the cache location will be stored in which memory blocks, okay, so or the memory block in which cache location, either way you can tell. Okay, so it is the simplest way. So with this technique, follow whatever the block it is given, say block J, it will be modulo of the particular bit address. Here it is 16, so it will be a 16. Okay, so this will be the proper, if means 16 blocks, I can tell you. So if, say for example, if there are 128 blocks, so it will be J modulo 128, because 128 blocks are there. But in the question it is given that in the question they have given the blocks numbers are 16. Blocks are 16 and which contain 16 16 bytes each block contains 16 bytes, or you can say 16 words each. Fine, so it is J modulo 128. So whatever the address is given as 9A81, okay, 16, so it will be equivalent to 2472, so mod 16, so it will be 8. So it will be stored in the 8th in the cache. It is stored at the 8th block, means direct mapping cache block number will be 8. Okay, so there only this proper memory address will be stored. Thank you. So yeah, so for the answer is matching is C. Answer is C. Thank you.